In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make these two Christmas gift card holders that you can use by using some of your old scraps, putting those together, and a couple of other little embellishments. Follow along and let's get started. To make this first card, you're going to need some decorative paper and some cardstock, and I'm going to start off with an 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. Now you can actually make two cards or two gift card holders with one 8.5 by 11 inch sheet of paper. If at first we'll cut this one, we're going to cut down the shorter end to 7 3/4. So we're really just cutting off a little sliver here, or a little bit more than a sliver, 7 3/4, and then we're going to cut this to 5 inches. And see, of course, that's going to leave you another enough paper to cut another 5-inch strip. But this is what we're going to use to make one gift card holder from this section. Now we're also going to score at 2.5 and at 6. And this is of our 7 3/4 by 5-inch piece. Now before we do any kind of folds, I want to take a look at our decorative paper that we're going to use. And we can think about this, what we're going to end up doing. We will fold down here, and this is going to make our slot for our gift card, and this piece will fold down. So we'll have some kind of message here maybe, and then we'll include our paper here and here. If you want to do up here, we can do that as well. So let's go ahead and we will fold up here on these score lines for that one. We're going to fold down here, and this gives us our basic structure of our piece here. I'm going to also do a little notch right here. I'm just using this circle punch right about in the middle just to do a little notch. And then we can look at our papers and decide how we want to do this. I think what I'm going to do is put the Christmas tree paper on top, and then we'll put the plaid along the bottom. So let me cut out the pieces for that, and I'll give you the dimensions. So these are the decorative pieces that I have. One at 4 7/8 by 2 3/8, and one at 4 7/8 by 1 9/16. So the larger piece is going to fit right on top very nicely. But remember, we did this little notch here for this one. And so I'm trying to decide which way I want to use it. I should have kept that little piece. But what I'm going to do is line it up right with that. And then I'm going to punch this out again. And then I should just be able to move it down just a bit. And there we've got a good fit. So let's just glue those pieces on now. And I'm just going to use some regular glue that I have, my Tombow liquid glue. And I'm going to start with this top piece. And then we've got the bottom piece. And you can see this coming to life. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and glue up the sides here for the pocket. That will be for the gift card to fit in. Now, if you wanted to also use this for cash, you could do that. Just fold the money up and put it in there. Got some stickers that I'm going to use to decorate this little section right here. You could do some stamping. You could put a white sheet back there and do some stamping or whatever added. You could add more decorative paper there if you'd like, but I'm going to do this, and I'm going to use this Merry Christmas. And I think I'm just going to place it right here. This was just a sticker I found in my stash, and I thought the colors went very well. So I don't have a traditional gift card here. This is just a thing that I use in some of my crafting to burnish things down, but it's the same size as a gift card. You can see how that fits right in, and you got it. But it's a little open. We need a little more to do to fix this up, and I'm going to show you how to do a little twine piece with some cute little edges. So I've got some twine here that I'm going to use, and I like to double wrap these. So let's make sure we get enough. And it's fun to just take this and tie a bow, a knot, whatever we want, and that makes a cute presentation. But and then they can just slide this right off, but let's add a little bit extra. I have these glitter foam stickers, and let's try these. We're going to take 2 of these, and I'm going to put a little dab of glue. Even though they are stickers, I'm going to put a little bit of glue on this, and we're going to apply them to the end pieces of the twine, and then we're going to just match them up. Oops, it's already gotten stuck together. We're going to mash those together, and it gives a little extra. We're going to do also for the other string. And its cover or second piece that will just match. We just sandwich that twine in between the 2 pieces and mash them together. And then we have a cute little end piece decorative Christmas trees to match the Christmas tree paper. And there you have your cute Christmas gift card holder. That's gift card holder number 1. So for the second gift card, I took a piece of cardstock that is a 4x5, and then I'm going to take my decorative paper that's a little less than that, so about 3 7/8 by 4 7/8. And then we've got another piece of cardstock that is almost 4 by 3 1/4, and I've scored that to a 1 1/2 line right there. And then this piece of decorative paper is about 1 3/8 by 3 7/8, and we're going to use that along the bottom. So first of all, let's go ahead and we will glue our decorative paper onto the card base. And you can use any kind of decorative paper that you want. Take this now where we have scored it, and we want to punch out a little notch. And we want to punch out a similar notch. Could have lined those up together and done it at the same time, but that's okay. But that is something you can do. Make sure that you have it lined up where you want to use it in terms of the sides. And punch that matching notch. And then we'll glue that down. Now we're going to we're going to glue this on here. So if you want to go ahead and apply the glue to this back side, right about in the middle. And then we're going to take our sides of this section and just apply some glue up the sides and fold that down. Now I'm going to attach a white sheet of cardstock, a little piece that matches that, onto the back side of the card where I can put my message to and from. Again, I'm going to use this sticker sheet that I have. I wish I had room to use the big Santa, but I'm just going to go ahead and use the Happy Holidays. And I'm going to put that at the top of my card, and then I can do any kind of note or message to or from. I can include that along the bottom, and I'm just going to glue that in place. So this is our final card holder where we've got the little slot. We've got a place for a message on the back. We can take our gift card. Again, I don't have a great gift card, just for us to take a sample of. All you'll need is an envelope to just slip your gift card holder in. You can decorate the front of this if you want. And now you have two great options for gift card holders, where you use the envelope, or you don't even have to use an envelope for this one. And it's a great way to use your decorative paper, your stickers, and all your different supplies to give wonderful gifts this holiday season.